Discipline isn't about willpower. It's about chemistry, and your brain is being programmed by it right now. Every time you scroll, delay, or take action, your brain triggers dopamine, reinforcing those behaviors. Here's the problem. Most people wire their brains for distraction, not success. In this video, you'll learn the Dopamine Discipline Formula, a science-backed method to rewire your brain's reward system and take control of your focus, motivation, and long-term success. Let's unlock it. 1. Hidden brain system: dopamine and neuroplasticity. Dopamine is your brain's reward signal. Every time you complete a task or chase pleasure, dopamine is released, reinforcing the behavior. This is neuroplasticity in action, your brain wiring itself based on what you repeat. The problem? Today's world floods your brain with quick dopamine hits, social media, notifications, junk content, wiring you for distraction, not discipline. 2. Dopamine hijack: why most people fail. Most people are hijacked by dopamine, unknowingly training their brains to crave instant gratification. Every time you procrastinate, your brain rewards the avoidance. But here's the key: dopamine doesn't just respond to pleasure, it responds to progress. When you take focused action, even for a short time, you can trigger dopamine and begin rewiring your brain for discipline and focus. 3. The Dopamine Discipline Formula. Here's how to use it. Choose one focus task, something meaningful. Set a 30-minute timer, no distractions. Complete the task, then reward yourself. Small but satisfying. This rebuilds your dopamine loop. You're training your brain to associate effort with reward, rewiring circuits for discipline, not distraction. Repeat this loop for 30 days, and your brain's prefrontal cortex, the center of focus and decision-making, becomes stronger, more active. Science-backed proof. Harvard studies show that consistent dopamine control increases task focus by 30% in just 3 weeks. Stanford researchers found that delayed gratification rewires reward pathways, improving long-term success rates. Your bioelectric system, including heart-brain signals, reinforces this, syncing your internal state for peak mental performance. This isn't theory, it's real neuroscience, and it works. Tonight, choose one task. Set your 30-minute timer, complete it. Reward yourself. You're not forming a habit, you're rewiring your brain. Every time you run this formula, you're upgrading your neural circuitry for success. Discipline becomes easier. Focus becomes natural. You now have the formula to control your dopamine, and with it, your focus and success. But there's more. Your bioelectric system amplifies this rewiring. In my next video, we'll unlock the bioelectric focus ritual, a method high achievers use to supercharge discipline through body-brain alignment. Subscribe now and take full control of your mental wiring. Success isn't magic, it's engineered.